Now let us try to write the future tense for the verb venir. Venir. Venir means to come. Now, do you remember the stem for the word venir? It is V-I-E-N-D-R. So this is the stem for the verb venir. So how do we write future tense? We write the stem followed by the ending for that subject pronoun. For je, it is ai. So je viendrai. It means I will come. For tu, we write the stem followed by the ending as. You will come. You will come. For il, the ending is a. I am writing all this. This is very simple to learn, but I am writing it again and again because the endings should be memorized, and you can memorize it easily only by writing it again and again. So il viendra means he will come. El also, it is el viendra. It means she will come. She will come. Shall we move on to the next? For nu. Again we write the stem followed by the ending for nu is ons. It means we will come. We will come. For vous, stem plus ez. You will come. For il, the stem plus the ending ont. They will come. And finally, for L, the stem plus ont. They will come. So, how did we write the future tense for venir? We wrote the stem, which is V-I-E-N-D-R for venir. This is the stem. We wrote the stem followed by the endings of the future tense. A-I, A-S, A, O-N-S, E-Z, O-N-T, O-N-T. So, this is how we write the future tense. I have also given you the stem for other irregular verbs. So, you can try writing them in the future tense.